Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Time Series Forecasting. Predicting the future with AI. What if you could know how many users your app will have next week? Or predict server load before it happens? That's what Time Series Forecasting, TSF, is all about. It's a special kind of AI that looks at data collected over time to make smart guesses about the future. For us developers, this means building more robust, efficient, and intelligent applications by anticipating what's coming next. Imagine a list of numbers, but each number comes with a timestamp. That's a time series. Think of your app's daily active users, hourly server temperatures, or the price of a stock minute by minute. Each data point is recorded in order. As developers, we constantly deal with this. Logs showing events over time. Database records with created at fields. Performance metrics collected every second. The crucial part is the sequence. Most AI predicts what based on current features. E.g., what kind of email is this? Time series AI predicts what will happen next *. The order of data points is crucial. Yesterday's server load heavily influences today's, and today's influences tomorrow's. It's like debugging. The sequence of events in your logs tells a story that helps you find a bug, not just isolated incidents. Time adds a narrative to our data that AI learns to interpret. Time series data often has predictable patterns that AI can spot. Trend. Asterisk is your app's user base generally growing, upward trend, shrinking, downward trend, or staying flat? This is the long-term direction. Seasonality. Asterisk do you see daily peaks, lunchtime users, weekly dips, weekends, or yearly cycles, holiday shopping surge? These are recurring short-term patterns. As developers, recognizing these patterns helps us understand system behavior, like a gradual increase in database size, trend, or predictable daily traffic spikes. Seasonality. Instead of us writing complex if-else rules for every pattern, AI algorithms learn these patterns from historical data. You feed the AI a lot of past data, e.g., 2 years of daily user counts, and it figures out the trends, the seasonality, and the relationships within the data. Then, when you ask it to predict tomorrow, it uses what it learned to give you the most likely outcome. It's like teaching a computer to recognize the flow of your application's logs to predict future issues. How does AI look back? Think of a simple moving average. To predict tomorrow's temperature, you might just average the last 3 days. AI models do something similar but much smarter. They use mathematical tricks, like in models called ARIMA or LSTMs, terms you'll learn later, to weigh past observations, identify complex dependencies, and even account for sudden changes. The core idea is, what happened recently, and in similar situations in the past, is often a good indicator of what will happen next. Time series forecasting empowers developers to build smarter, more proactive systems. Resource allocation. Predicts server load to scale up/down automatically, saving costs and preventing outages. Demand forecasting. Know how many users to expect for marketing, or how much stock to keep for e-commerce. Anomaly detection. Spot unusual activity, e.g., a sudden drop in user signups, indicating a problem or security threat. Predictive maintenance. Predict when hardware might fail. Start by exploring libraries like Profit from Facebook, or stats models in Python to get hands-on with real-time series data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.